It's unboxing day and I'm so excited to show you my latest bag. I've been waiting on this bag for months and it's finally here. I can't wait to show her to you. Let's get started. Hello and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Ashley Delmore and I put out videos on fashion, beauty, and luxury on Friday. So if that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and click subscribe and turn on the bell and you'll be notified whenever I put out new videos. For today's video, we're going to be talking about my latest bag in my collection, and that bag is, drum roll please, the Telfar Bag. I have seen this bag all over Instagram and Facebook and TikTok. This bag is just such an iconic bag, but it's also really hard to get your hands on. You've seen it worn on many different celebrities, and most notably, this bag was carried by Beyonce herself this summer, and that just made the bag just that much more popular. And so it's a really hard bag to get your hands on, and they sell out really, really quickly. So if you want a Telfar bag, it's something that you've got to be serious about. So they have two different ways you can get a bag. So if you sign up for their email list, they send you emails with different collections. For example, they'll say the color white, everything in white, from the bag to the belts and hats, everything in white will be released that day. And then if you want that color, you better go get it pretty quickly. They also have what's called their bag security program. And the bag security program, you sign up and you can specify what size bag you want, what color. You basically pick your own bag completely from start to finish, but you're going to wait on it for a little while. And that's what I did in this case. So I ordered my bag back in April and it arrived at the end of August. So it took roughly 4 or 5 months to get the bag, and so with that, it was a pleasant surprise for me when the bag finally did come. So the Telfar bag comes in 3 different sizes and many different colors. The bag comes in a small size, a medium, and a large size, and it comes in colors like brown and black, your traditional colors, but it also comes in some really fun colors, like there's a metallic gold, a silver, it comes in white, it comes in an oxblood color, it comes in green. There are so many different colors. There is a color for every person who wants a Telfar bag, and I am so excited to open mine up and see how she looks. Let me get it. So this is the box, and the box is it's a pretty basic box, but it's a lot thinner than what I expected, but the bag is a tote style bag, so I'm sure it's gonna fit in here just fine. Wow. So as you can see, the Telfar logo is here. And another reason I am obsessed with Telfar is because he is a Black designer and I love Black-owned businesses. It would be funny if I kept this plastic bag, huh? Ooh, and it comes in a dust bag too. It's very well packaged. And the dust bag also has the Telfar logo on it. Here she is. Here is the Telfar bag, and I got it in the brown color. I love how the logo on this bag is embossed, so it's not really flashy and in your face. It's just a nice, clean, minimalist design, and I love that about this bag. I selected the size medium after my friend, who has a YouTube channel as well, and I will link her channel down below, 6 Feet of Fashion. She mentioned that the large bag was just too large, and so I got the medium size. And this was the right size for me. I've seen the large size on a lot of different people, and It's a really, really big bag, and that's great if that's what you're looking for, but I really like the size of this bag. It's not too big, and it's going to be really, really functional. So it's got these two smaller handles here, and it's also got this long strap here that allows you to wear this bag over your shoulder. I like that you have different strap options. The bag is really simple on the inside. It's lined, and it has one zipper pocket, and the zipper pocket, let's see, how far down does it go? You can fit quite a bit in the zipper pocket, but I really like that it's just a nice basic tote bag, and they call the color, it's tan, and this is their medium shopper. All right, let's see what we can get inside. All right, I'm back. So I put in this bag what I would typically carry with me every day. And sometimes, you know, just because I don't like my bags to be too heavy, I will lessen what I carry. So I've got a contact case. I usually just throw this in my car because I prefer crossbody bags most of the time. I've got some sunscreen. My new life in California, my dog rules everything, and we go to dog parks and we go to dog beaches, so I almost always have a leash with bags on me. Got my vitamins. I've got hand sanitizer. I've got cards. A garage opener, makeup, my full makeup bag, mind you, a lip balm, a mask, and that's all I have in there. And I honestly could have fit way more. The scary part about this bag to me is it doesn't feel heavy at all. With all these items in it, I didn't feel like I had anything on my shoulder. It's a really, really comfortable bag, and I understand why people love it so much, because not only is it a beautiful minimalist bag, but it's also very, very functional. Like, I could see this bag going with me everywhere, and we'll see how much I love it, because I could see me getting one of these in another color. I love this color because it'll go with so many different things for the fall. It's a nice, rich tan color, and I have a lot of shoes that actually are this color, so I'm excited about the color. And I really like that the logo isn't super in your face with like a metallic type of logo. I love that it's just embossed, and the price point for this bag cannot be beat. I paid $198 for this bag, and I'm looking at it, and it's great quality. I like the lining. I like everything about this bag. I can't wait to use it and really let y'all know how it is as an everyday bag. I think it's gonna be a great bag for me though. This bag is made out of vegan leather, and it has a magnetic snap closure, which I don't know about y'all. I love magnetic snap closures because that just means the contents of my bag are much more secure. And it's got the lining on the interior as well as a zipper pocket that goes pretty deep. So I like the basic structure of the bag. I think it's really well made, and I love, love, love the simple look of it. I am really impressed with this bag. It looked like a really simple bag, and I wasn't sure how much I'd like it from the pictures. Even though I've seen lots of people carrying it, I'm really picky with handbags, so I wasn't sure how this one was going to rank with me, but I love it. I love the simplicity of it, and it seems really well made. I can't wait to carry it, and I'm so happy to support Black-owned businesses. I encourage anyone who's interested in this bag to check out the website for Telfar, and I'll link that down below because they are hard to get a hold of. Like right now, I looked today and almost every bag was sold out. So if you really want one, just be patient. They will release more bags. So beautiful, beautiful bag. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you here. Until the next video, bye.